So, hello, my friends from the banks, those who are going to join banking. This is another video on loans. I've already shared a lot of videos. So, how to open a term loan in Finacle system. The command for that is Hoaacla. I'll tell you the steps. So, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Besides that, I have live videos on banktekskills.com. Log in there with any email ID and password. You can have lifetime access of all the videos of Finacle and various topics of the banking I'll be uploading very shortly. So this will be it, and the platinum module is the best. So kindly do subscribe, and I'm getting an overwhelming response. Thank you so much. The process of opening a loan account is Hoaacla. That is the main command that we type on the menu shortcut. Then process of creating verification of sanction reference number. Some banks have this that before opening the account they should have a reference number. The command for that is CBSRS. It's a very simple process, and we can choose overdraft, cash credit or overdraft, whatever we like, temporary overdraft. For a short-term period, we can choose any of the loans or even term loan also. So Hoaacla, that is the main menu, shortcut, click on go, term transactions screen appear. This is the screen. When you click on go here is the command that you will be typing on this one option, right? Then general details, account interest details, loan details have to be entered. These are the tabs. Make a note of these tabs, that will help you in, because if you get into a tab which is you are not supposed to enter, may create a problem for all of you, because you have to fill some data there, and only then the system will allow you to go to the next next module, right? To the next tab, data, next tab. So after that, LA interest, visit that tab. Payment schedule, how EMI would be generated, you will be able to see the amortization schedule. If there is any refinance or subsidy, but you have to visit the tab. MIS codes is very important when you generate any report of your loans accounts. The proper classification is done. And what all documents have you taken? You can scan them if scanner is available. So that creates an online storage of the documents. Then what is the sanction limit, account limits and related party details. If there is a more than one joint account holder in the account, we can have its related party details also. He can be a customer of the bank or he cannot be a customer of the bank. Tabs are mandatory even if there are no field updated to be done. So these tabs are to be visited. Make a note of it in a diary, and that will help you in the while you're working in a Finacle in the banking system, otherwise also. User must visit the above tabs compulsorily, and verifier has also visit to all these tabs before he approves the process. So KIF ID has to be entered. First, we have already created KIF ID. Maybe he is having a deposit account with us, so KIF is already available. Customer information file. Then scheme code. Scheme code should be selected with help of searcher, as it will populate the general ledger subsidiary head code. Then sanction reference number. Who sanctioned the case, right? This was generated as per the previous steps. Then again click on go in the system. It will take you to this screen. Open automatically will appear here. This is the KIF ID here. This is sole ID. Automatically this will be populated. CCY, that is currency, INR, right? And then scheme code you have to choose. We are choosing a term loan for car loan, vehicle loan. So this is you choose from the searcher. And sanction reference number, wherever the banks have this, you can enter that also. Usually most of the fields would be populated as per the parameters set as scheme code, level as per the requirement of the bank. Certain data would be populated from the KIF of the customers, like name, son of, and so on. Then account statement, select appropriately from the drop down options. You want monthly email statement, customer wants email, or he wants by courier, he wants a person of his own company to take the statements. Mode of operation, who will be operating the account. If there are authorized signatories are there, their KYC has to be done. Account interest tab. So system displays the account interest tab. Whichever tab is available with that account will be reflected here. So this is the screen. You can see all these are the screenshots. So his name appears here, right? And date of sanction and everything appears. The mode of operation, it is statement, quarterly, weekly, day, next day, and dispatch mode, post, if it is a holiday, right? All these will populate. So once you go into the live screen, and I have shared these live videos on my website, that is banktekskills.com. kindly visit it, that will help you a lot. Then loan details, floating to maturity, right? So it will be floating rate of interest V. Then interest details, collect interest, yes, we will be charging interest. Rest you don't have to change. Interest compounding frequency, no compounding has to be done. Rest, whatever is there, leave it as it is, don't tinker with it. Account refreshment, preference interest, if you are giving any preference interest to him. Interest rate code, this will be automatically populated, whatever interest will be charging into it, right? So loan amount, loan period, what is the repayment period, 5 years, 8 years, 7 years. LA interest tab, system displays LA interest tab here. So all these tabs are mandatory. So this is the interest tab here. So loan type, this will be appear here. All these, when you will be seeing the live screen, and I have shared live videos, again I'm repeating whenever screenshots are coming. So they are more clearer there, and I've given you first hand experience in opening the account. There you will find it better. That is very useful. Payment plan, system displays payment plan, amortization schedule would be displayed. Payment plan tab is customized based on product features. User should not disturb the values. So this is the screen here. Don't change any field. This is automatically populated as per the types of loans that we are opening, right? Collect interest, yes. Period interest, no. Whatever you want to make it, right? Principal demand overdue, that has to be no also, right? So when you will be seeing my live videos on my bank site, BankTekSkills website, you'll learn a lot. You can pause those videos, you can make a note of it, so you will become a versatile banker. Then payment schedule. What is the payment schedule? What is the EMI? EMI should be zero within the repayment period, right? The balance should be zero. Displays payment schedule tab. So this is here. You can see here. Request equated monthly installment. Yes, this is a EMI loan, right? Then we have EI type. It has to be arrear, not advance, not interest in advance, only arrear. Number of installments automatically has populated to 60 here. Interest start date, interest is charged in the loans on monthly basis. It will start on the next month immediately, instantly. Then installment frequency, when you have to deposit the EMI monthly. Day, which day, that is 6th day. If it is a day, then it can be a next day holiday. If it is a holiday, next day would be, your EMI would be deducted. And calendar has to be Gregorian in any case, right? And you can see all these tabs in my website. You will find it very easy to use it. You can pause the videos, you can make a note of it. That will become very easy for all of you, right? So this is more clearer here. Number of installments 60, interest start date, interest frequency monthly, weekly, 6th of next month EMI would be deducted. And authorize schedule after holiday period, no. So don't tinker any other thing, right? amortization schedule, in which all the 60 installments would be displayed there, and at the end there should be a zero balance. So system displays loan amortization schedule. You can count on that. This is here. So you can see your amortization schedule. When you click on validate, it will show you all the 60 installments. Installment due date next month, right? And installments, EMI. So all these are given here. All these tabs are given here. Scroll down little bit. A system displays payment schedule screen, right? So this is the payment schedule I was talking about. Amortization schedule. At the end, this balance should be zero, right? This balance should be zero here. When you scroll this sidebar, it will show you zero balance after 60 installments, right? So you can see principal interest component of the whole EMI. EMI remains constant, but principal and interest keeps on changing. Interest keeps on increasing, principal keeps on increasing, interest keeps on decreasing whenever EMI is being deposited. Then you validate to find out if you have committed any error before submitting. It's a good way of doing it. If everything is okay, it will allow you to submit. So first validate, it will show you the errors. You can correct it. In case if it is there, then submit and you can do it. Click on OK. System displays payment scheduled tab here. You can see the screen here. Then MIS codes are very important for classification of the loans: agriculture, non-agriculture, priority sector, export. All these are to be entered, right? So these are here. Again, payment schedule is there. EID, installment ID. Installments starts from 6th of November 2015. 60 installments are there. You can see it. And various codes, MIS codes has to be filled very correctly, right? These are the codes here. You can add codes later on. These are left blank. Banks wants more classifications, that they can modify these blank tabs here, right? Then document details. You can scan them if scanner is available. Temporary overdraft, cash credit overdraft. Then it's related party details. If there's any joint account holder, his details have to be entered. An authorized signatory, his details have to be entered, and you can enter as many details as you like in related party details. On the left hand side, you will appear add. Keep on adding and enter the details here. Here you can see my cursor here, add here, right? So if there are more than 2 signatories, you can add their details. And scan documents. If scanner is not there, put it no N, otherwise scan it. It's good to scan the documents. There will be a permanent record for your safety also. Joint account holder details are captured here by linking KIF of the joint account holder and the main holder, covered earlier in the chapter CASA, accounts opening and modification. And finally you submit and you get a temporary account number, which has to be verified by the verifying officer. So this is again a screenshot. So it's not very clear, because when you will visit my live videos on my website, that is banktekskills.com, you will find exactly live videos. In case you have any problems, do write to me. I'll get back to you 100%. And this is new account ID is created. Make a note of it, note it down and accept it, right? This is here. Process of modification before verification. The command is HOAACMLA. This is similar to opening of current and savings account. Earlier, modification could not be done by the maker before it was verified. So this has been added in new version of the Finacle, right? So guys, I hope you liked the video. These are the steps. Once again, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press bell icon. You are notified when I share a lot of information banking related. Plus, you can log into my website with any email ID, password, and buy a platinum module. I'm going to launch a Hindi module, gold module soon, very soon on my website. And a lot of topics, investment products, mutual funds, insurance, bonds, debentures. I'll be adding, already added there, how to sales and selling techniques. A lot of PPTs are also there. So I hope you'll find it very, very useful. So thank you so much.